Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Very special and good news for NEET PG 2022 aspirants who have not get the seat for MD, or DNB or any seat is not allotted to them. The MCC is going to conduct a special stay round. Stay vacancy round was already conducted, but for the leftover seats, okay, they are going to conduct a special stay vacancy round, okay, for MDMS, diploma, PG, DNB, and MDS seats, okay, and the registration won't be available, okay, but those who had already done the registration, the security deposit payment need to be done again, and it will be happening between 6th of January to 8th January, okay. Payment facility will be available up to 4 p.m. Of 8th January, okay. Choice filling and choice locking between 6 to 8, okay, and then the result will publish on 10th and up to 14th you can do the reporting. So it's a very new initiative and very good thing. They were trying to conduct the special stay vacancy round last year, but this year they got the success, and for the leftover seats they are conducting it again, okay. So for the candidates who were trying to do the preparation and not up to the mark in the preparation, they have got like their opportunity once again to do the preparation, to participate in the counseling process and get the seat, okay. So it's very good news, and the portal has also list of candidates who are eligible for a special stay vacancy round. You can visit the portal and you can download that, okay. In case you want to avail the counseling guidance, okay, for that you can contact us on 9319128677, the contact number. You can reach us on WhatsApp as well as our call, okay. Thanks for watching.